Hello everyone and welcome back to VoIP Knowledge. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restrict internet for some specific users and allow internet on some specific users. So I have GWN7001 and always use latest firmware in the router. So if I show you, so in the system info you can see the firmware version, and now to create the rules for users, click on firewall and traffic rules, and here in traffic rule click on forwarding rule and add. Now I am adding a rule for restricting all users, so giving a name, and the protocol type should be selected as all, and source group should be LAN network, and the destination group should be WAN. So LAN user will not be allowed. Select here action as deny or drop, and we have to set priority. As you can see here, the lower the number, the higher the priority. So we have to switch the priority and take it on the top. So we have set the priority first, and now if I check internet like google.com, so you can see here Google is not opening. Now if I disable this rule and again I check, refresh, now I can see the Google page is loaded and I can access the internet. Now I am enabling this and will allow some specific IP address user. We can specify bypass them with the MAC address or with the IP address. So I am copying the MAC address of my system, and my laptop IP address is 192.168.90.8. So first I am going to allow with the MAC address. So in the forwarding rule I am adding one more rule, allow my system protocol all and source group default VLAN, and in the MAC address I'm pasting the MAC address of my system, and the destination group WAN1, and the action should be selected as accept. Now take this on top priority. Now if I check the internet, so my system is allowed and I can access the internet, and I can access Google. I'm searching for VoIP knowledge. Similarly, we can use rule with the IP address in the source IP. So I'm removing MAC address and source address. I'm giving the IP address of my system and saving it. So you can see here I have create rule with the IP address. Now again I'm checking internet and I'm able to access the internet, and if I search for YouTube VoIP channel, so I'm able to access the internet and I can search. Similarly I can open YouTube here, So my rule is allowed. So if you allow or disallow, the rule must be on top priority. So I now set the priority for restrict all users on top. So my system is also not able to access the internet. Now you can see Google is not opening here, and similarly if I access YouTube, then YouTube is also blocked. So this way we can allow internet on some specific users, and these are the rules, and the rules must be created in the forwarding rules. So we can allow with the MAC address or IP address, and need to set the priority. If you want to allow some specific users, then set them on the top priority. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel and like the video.